unless you know what you're looking for and unless you know how to guard yourself, it won't be until someone comes and says, I am gay, be gay also. I'm LGBTQ, be LGBTQ also. You know, it comes from a lot of things, the conversations we have, the things that we are watching, the things that parents are allowing their children to watch, the internet.
From the internet.
Yes. But by the time I was getting there, nilikuwa nimesha, I have indulged in it. There's now so much shame, and this is something else that is in that community. There's so much shame that you can't stop. Because as soon as you stop, the shame overwhelms you. You're like, sasa hata nikiacha, who will love me? Who will take me? And you see now the devil has you in that. So now, the only solution in our minds is
stick there.
Tuendelee tu. This is who we are, this is what we do. And that's why now you get comments like someone saying, this is who I am, this is how I was born.